sheer audacity of digital predators never ceases to amaze me. You are scrolling through your social media feed when a flashing banner catches your eye. It promises a massive $750 gift card for one of the largest retailers in the world. Your mind immediately starts racing with all the things you could buy with that money. Maybe it is a new television or just a much needed break from the rising cost of groceries. You click the link and land on a site called Targcart. The pressure starts the very second the page loads. A countdown timer is ticking away in the corner. Little notifications pop up showing that people all over the country are claiming their rewards right now. This is a masterclass in psychological manipulation. This platform is not a shortcut to free money. It is a sophisticated trap designed to harvest your most sensitive data. Our look into this operation reveals a dark reality hiding behind the bright colors. There is no corporate registration for this entity. There are no physical offices or verified owners. It is a ghost ship floating in the digital sea. The site is a nearly perfect clone of well-known scam templates. It is built to bypass your logic and trigger a sense of urgency. You think you are just answering a few simple questions. In reality, you are feeding a hungry database that wants to sell your identity. The site forces you into a loop of endless tasks and mandatory signups. They want your phone number so they can flood you with spam calls. They want your email address to fill your inbox with junk. They even try to trick you into signing up for paid trial memberships. These small fees are just the beginning of the nightmare. Once they have your financial details, you are trapped in a subscription cycle that is incredibly difficult to break. You might find yourself fighting unauthorized charges for months. All of this for a reward that does not even exist. The promised voucher is a lie. The real product being sold here is you. These anonymous actors take your information and bundle it into leads for malicious telemarketers. The technical side of the site is even more concerning. It tracks how you move your mouse and how long you hesitate. It uses that data to refine its tricks for the next victim. Those names you see scrolling by on the claim feed are not real people. They are generated by a script to make you feel like you are missing out. No legitimate company would ever ask you to jump through 15 different hoops for a promotion. Real rewards do not require you to surrender your privacy or your bank account information. You have to be your own digital bodyguard in this environment. If a deal feels like it is screaming at you to hurry up, that is a massive red flag. The urgency is fake. The rewards are a fantasy. The danger to your identity is the only thing that is real. Stay sharp and keep your personal details locked down. Never let the promise of a quick win lead you into a data harvesting trap. Trust your gut when something feels too good to be true. It usually is. This whole system is designed to exploit your trust in major brands to steal your peace of mind. Protecting your data is more important than a fake gift card. Be careful where you click, and always question the source before you share your life. Stay safe out there.